This video is to help you understand how to make use of ImmiBuddy to make your Canada study process easy and seamless. Head over to ImmiBuddy.com, scroll to the website to see the different services and to see how the platform works. You would also see testimonials from people who have made use of the platform gotten results also. Click on the register button, then hit the student's registration page. Get started and then fill in your full name comprising of your first name and your last name. Once you're done, input your email address. This should be an active email address that you're currently using. After that, fill in the password. Now for the password, make sure that your password follows the password rules that have been provided. After you're done filling in your password, hit the create account button. Read the terms and conditions and then accept the terms by hitting the button. Your account has been created successfully. An email will be sent to you welcoming you to the ImmiBuddy platform, and then a second email will be sent to you to activate your account. Click on the activate my account button and then your account will be activated successfully. After you have done, you want to sign into your account using the email address and the password you provided previously. Hit the login button in order to get access to your account. Once you've done that, an OTP will be sent to your email again. Copy that OTP, head over to the page and then paste the OTP. After you have done pasting the OTP, your account will be successfully verified and now you're ready for the next step.